Alright, I'm back. I'm in the inside. I don't know if y'all can hear how good that thing sound with the goddamn muffler deletes, man. I'm gonna try to do some rhyme footage so y'all can hear how it sound when it take off and everything. But, ooh, man, that thing sound amazing. And you know we ride safe around here, seatbelt. I ain't stupid. I watch a lot of videos on YouTube before I decided to do it. I guess you can say I did my research. I looked at a lot of forums. Shout out to BMW Fest. I guess that would know it. I think that's what it is. BMW Fest or some shit like that. It's one of them forums I be checking out all the time about the BMWs and shit. Then it's a BMW Owner's Guide. That's a dope website too. Check that shit out. They got a lot of tips on mod your car and shit. So y'all might want to go check that out. They got a lot of shit in there for cleaning your car. Keeping your BMW right. It's all BMW warranty. So y'all might want to check that out. Plug, hit me up. But it is what it is. I know y'all can hear it. Stop him right there. I'm not paying that much attention. I need to keep my eyes on the road. But yeah, I'm gonna hit it a little bit so y'all can hear that thing sound when it take off. We check my surroundings, the mirrors. Make sure them boys ain't lurking. That's wrong. Motherfuckers don't check their mirrors no more. You gotta get in there and check them mirrors and make sure them people ain't watching you. Got a scan bag right there. Many niggas don't talk about how it is to be black and own foreign cars and shit. Everybody got muscle cars and shit, but my shit go. You know what I'm saying? When I need to get up, I need to get up. I don't got no Hellcats and shit on the side of my shit. I'm discreet.